Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by isolating the supply and confirming the APFC panel rating and capacitor bank kVAR so you avoid overvoltage or resonance. Once power is off, apply lockout-tagout and test to confirm 0 voltage on bus bars. Next, identify and label incoming phases R, Y, B, neutral, and earth, plus CT secondaries. This prevents phase mismatch and incorrect metering. Make sure the panel's voltage selector and fuse types match the site supply before moving to connect conductors and CTs. You now connect the incoming R, Y, B conductors to the APFC bus, torquing terminals to the specified NM to ensure low resistance. Loose connections heat. Then mount current transformers on the load side and wire CT secondaries to the controller, observing polarity to avoid wrong phase readings. Once CTs are secure, wire each capacitor bank through its contactor and include the discharge resistor and fuses. This sequencing ensures safe switching and automatic correction under controller commands. You finish by programming the controller for kVAR steps, time delays, target power factor, and voltage limits so the APFC responds correctly under load. Once settings are saved, energize the panel with no load to verify CT signals, contactor sequencing, and lamp/LED indicators. Then gradually apply load and observe correction behavior. If you see contactor chattering or PF overshoot, check CT polarity, controller threshold, and interlocks. Those are the usual culprits, and correcting them stabilizes operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.